fans are in fine voice for this exhibition game. Although it's not a competitive fixture, both teams will still want to win.
Referee gets his match underway. And back to the goalkeeper.
He's headed the ball forward.
Oh, it's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. That's a free kick.
He'll feel that in the morning. Well, after that injury, they're making a change.
Silva. And he hits it. Good save by the goalkeeper. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. And that one's surely now.
Let's see that one again.
Junior Allison, fantastic stop.
Headed on. Neymar.
Now that's class, a wonderful finish. Solid strike there, never in doubt. Oh, it's a penalty. Oh, nice finish. He's put them back into it. Oh, great penalty. The keeper dived the right way, but still couldn't get near it.
Confident pass. He's headed the ball forward.
And now De Bruyne.
Volleyed on.
They have the ball again. And he's stayed onside.
Here's Lukaku. Finds his teammate.
And he's stayed onside.
Safety first, back to the goalkeeper.
Passed well.
And we're entering stoppage time now. Good, clean challenge.
The referee checks his watch and blows for half-time. So level at half-time and we're underway again. But who's going to take the initiative? Mbappe. Oh, awful challenge. Oh, and it's the first card of the day, and it's yellow.
Oh, I can't believe he shot from there. What a waste. We won't want to see this replay. It was well wide.
That's good link-up play. Really well played.
Neymar.
Good ball.
Long shot. And the coach is changing things around.
That's nicely played. And tackled well by Varane.
The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside.
And he fires wide into the side netting.
Wide of the mark from the player. Let's take another look at it. Salah. Confident pass. Lovely pass. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. Good distribution.
Salah! Alisson, fantastic stop.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
And that's into the box. Alisson, fantastic stop. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Whipped in.
Off the woodwork. So close.
Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Oh, fantastic block.
Neymar.
What a great cross-field pass.
And we're into stoppage time now.
Mbappe. Well, 90 minutes couldn't separate these teams. Let's see if another 30 minutes can. Off we go again then for another 30 minutes of extra time.
Headed on.
It's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant.
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. And it's Ronaldo.
And Ter Stegen has it. Mendy. He has a crack from distance.
Well, let's take another look at that.
He's cut it back inside.
Well, the fourth official has indicated 4 minutes of stoppage time.
Oh, and dispossessed there. Players just beginning to look fatigued. I think it's going to take an individual moment of brilliance to separate these two sides. Now it's Griezmann. The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. That's good link-up play. He's got the goal in his sights. You can't make this stuff up. They've surely gone and won it now. Are we going to see any late goals?